Hey there peeps, it's Jeff again, also known as Nomad Fury, and I'm back again on YouTube, guys. So happy weekend to all of you. So before we begin, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified on what is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And not only that, you can also follow my official social media channels that are displaying here on the screen or in my YouTube description. You can also check out my Facebook page for live AMAs, panel discussions, demos, and other content related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Right now, I'm just going to give you a quick update on what is going on with NewsCrypto again. Okay, so last week, NewsCrypto has partnered with PayPal, so they've just enabled the PayPal for buying NWCs to access the features. But right now, we're going to talk about another partnership, which of course coming from the crypto coach himself, Blockchain Wayne. So NewsCrypto and crypto coach Blockchain Wayne presents a tutorial on different topics that crypto enthusiasts that are just starting their crypto journey should master before investing. Okay, if you don't know about Blockchain Wayne, of course you can check him here on Twitter. So this is his Twitter account, by the way. So he's a blockchain enthusiast, crypto investor, and personal growth junkie, devoted to never stop learning in the pursuit of being an expert in this crazy world. You can check out his tweets right here, his podcast, episode 130. So he's already on 136 episodes, by the way. And also you can check out his website, knowcrypto.today. Okay, so you can check out his latest tweets. You can follow Blockchain Wayne on Twitter. Okay, about the partnership of Blockchain Wayne to NewsCrypto. Of course, he has provided some educational videos right here. Okay, for the beginners, the 3 videos are free for you to access, but in order for you to access some of these videos, of course, you need to upgrade your membership to intermediate or advanced. Okay, so right now in my account right here, I'm still on the beginner level, so you can actually watch some of these videos right here. And then if you want to learn more coming from Blockchain Wayne through the NewsCrypto platform, of course you need to buy a subscription. So all you need to do is to go through here, click the buy subscription. Okay, so you can choose advanced or intermediate. Okay, but it's totally up to you guys if you want intermediate or advanced, but I think the best one would be the advanced, because you'll be accessing all of the features, especially the intermediate one. Okay, and also just to remind you that you can buy NWC through PayPal in order for you to purchase these memberships. Okay, you can see it right here. PayPal is already enabled. I have showed it to you last week. Okay, and also guys, if you want more 50% APR, the NWC KuCoin PoolX event is still on. Okay, and I think the next round will be on July 13. So this is just a quick update, okay, on what is going on with NewsCrypto in partnership with a well-known crypto coach known as Blockchain Wayne. So if you want to access the tutorials, so you just log in to NewsCrypto, and then on the dashboard, just go to school and then click NewsCrypto tutorials. Okay, so this is all for now, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my video on what is going on with NewsCrypto right now, especially in their partnership with Blockchain Wayne. So I hope you guys have learned a lot. And guys, make sure you follow Blockchain Wayne on Twitter as well, and his other social media channels as well. And if you think that this video is quite helpful for you, kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this video to your crypto friends out there, especially if they want to learn more about crypto trading, the basics up to the advanced level. Everything is right here on NewsCrypto. Okay, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified on what is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And not only that, you can also follow my official social media channels that are displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. You can also check out my Facebook page, Nomad Fury, for more live AMAs, panel discussions, demos, and other content related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Okay, so from my home studio, this is Jeff, also known as Nomad Fury, and see you guys on my next video.
All the feelings that we shared.